Welcome back to Nalla Nadan Sweden. So today is a Sunday, 31st of October. And today it is Amma Kutti's Day. So for Amma Kutti's Day, we are going to Leo's Lakeland. That is a children's amusement park here. So we will go there, we will play for 3 hours and we will be back soon. So come with us to see the children's amusement park here, Leo's Lakeland. Come on.
So from Halloween Berrien, we have two options, 504 and 506 bus. So from we actually boarded 504 bus and we got down at Sunbiberry station. That is the stop. So this is the way to Sunbiberry station. So here you see the lake, Lochon, and this is a very big lake. It has a huge area around it for people to walk. So usually people walk here during the evenings and in the morning. So we started at around 3:30 and this is how the lakeside looks like. So there is a very big children's park also there. Once we get down at Sunbiberry station, we have to take Pendle Tog. So that is 30 Sikla Pendle Tog we took to this Leo's Lakeland Park. So it is 3 or 4 stations from Hallonberrien to Sunbiberry, and then from Sunbiberry, the third stop is where our amusement park is. So this is the Pendle Talk. We are already in it, and now within 2 stations, the third stop, we will reach the park. So you see the roadside while you travel through the Pendleton bus. So we love traveling through the Pendleton bus because you get to see a lot of nature while you travel. Yes, so we are here. It's Leo's Lakeland Park. Aradhana and Aryan is all excited, as well as they are a little reluctant actually. For the first time they are coming in, so they don't know what and where exactly everything is. So when we enter, these big and little elephants welcome us into Leo's Lakeland. And Aryan's favorite are elephants and dinosaurs. So he has seen elephants here. So now, once we get into there, we have to remove our shoes, socks, and then the sweaters, whatever it is. We have a place for it. So we have done that, and then we get the tickets. We had already booked online, and then we can show that QR code at the counter. And the straps, the hand straps, whatever they gave, there you can write the name of your kid so that in case they get missing and your phone number, you get called. So this is how the park is. There are a lot of slides and then a lot of options actually. All each of these slides are named differently. So see, my boy does not want to get down the slide the normal way. They were clueless as to where all they have to go. There is a lot of option. There is a lot of place as well. See how they are climbing up. So it's like there are slides and then there is a lot of places others. And most of them know it is like steps upwards and then there is ropes where you can walk through. So it's like that. So it's very beautiful. So here also some indoor games are there and these rooms wherein you can play, sit, relax, and everything. There is a lot of options in this park for the kids. This is a dragon slide, closed dragon slide. But Aryan and Aradhana, both of them did not enter it because it's very dark inside and they were too much scared actually. So they did not. Over here, what happened is Aryan and Aradhana now they are going together. But then at some point in time, Aradhana went ahead and Aryan was left behind. And we lost Aryan actually for some point, some time. And because it is it's not downstairs, no, it's up. You have to climb all these way, and there it is like a maze only. you can go to any place you want. So it took some time for us to find out Aryan again. So this is the tiger park. You see a lot of tiger cubs. How beautiful are they? And see those beautiful two kids coming down? Yes. Once he got lost, no, he was always going with his Aki only, Aradhna only. See how easily they're climbing. No, I tried climbing this. See, it's me climbing. These are actually okay only, but then these steps afterwards, my knees started aching after a point of time. So we feel that kids, no, they're climbing it so easily, and that's why I also got in. But then it's very tough. Your knees starts aching because it's climbing up and up and up. And then I also tried the slide. That's this. Here it is like I have seen a lot of elder people are also going through these slides. Then they are playing football, basketball, everything with their kids. So there was no restriction. Older people are also getting in. So I thought, why not? That's the only chance I get. See, here you have cycles also. So Aryan likes cycling. So this is one thing that he got. He cycled for quite a while. So when you take a ticket, you can stay in the park for around 3 hours. And this 3 hours we did utilize to the fullest. Even I did not get bored because there is a lot of things to see and lot of places to play. It's mostly the same thing only, the slide, then this closed slide, then some volcano. So this is the volcano kind of thing. So you have to run or then you have to climb using these buttons that's given there. And from the top, it's again the same slide. Aradhna was initially scared, but then this little lizard, he just climbs up. This is the first time he's climbing, and then he became an expert. My little lizard is climbing up. I am actually cheering him from down. And that's why he's looking down. I'm saying, like, Aryan, go, go, go. I like it when he does all these things. That shows your kid is very active. He has got that knack, right? As to how to climb up, how to maintain that balance and everything. So it is good. See how happy he is. He's saying, wow. And Aradhana got stuck at this point in time. But then later on, she did climb as well. See her climbing. She got that knack from Aryan as to hold on to each of these buttons with your hand and then place your leg and then just climb using like in stairs. It's as simple as it. Aryan is guiding his Aki. And they like this also. This is called as a volcano corner, I think. Yeah. This is the volcano corner. And now the lava flows down. Lava number two. This continued for around 30 minutes because they liked it so much. And then this one, everybody is familiar. You know, it is available in all the park and kids love it a lot. There are so many other options as well. And this one is actually interesting. This is a pirate ship. So I didn't know what this is initially, but then later on, I took them there and they started gathering this ball. This is sponge balls. It's very soft sponge balls. And then, as you see here, no, those gun kind of things. You put a ball inside it, and then there is a button in that holder arms, and then you fire it by taking positions. So now you see there is a war happening between a boy from upstairs and then between Aryan. See, they are aiming at each other, and then see. And you know what? He saw me taking pictures, and then the next ball did come and hit me also. Aradhana went on to pick up the balls for Aryan, and Aryan fights. So this war also did continue for around 30 minutes. So kids were very interested because he was firing from up and then Aryan was firing from downstairs. So it was fun. And then we got tired after around 1.5 hours. So we thought we'll go and have some food. So there is a cafeteria inside this park itself. See, we bought two ice creams, then this slush. We mixed blue ice, then strawberry, paron, and cola flavor. And this is the food that we got. It's nuggets meal as well as a crispy chicken wrap meal. Yeah, both are meals. So this is the food that we had. And after food, they were so enthusiastic to finish the food because I told them that it's only 3 hours and we have to get out soon. So they finished their food very soon and we went out to play again. So this I think is for little kids here. So it's like different small huts as you see there is created. One is a bank, the other one is some kind of a police station, then some ticket station and all of those things for small kids. So many kids were here and they were playing. And to the other side again there is a flower, and this girl and Aradhana, they started playing together. This little girl, she was so happy. She was playing alone, and then these kids went by. So she was happy to have company. This is the zebra park. So this is the black and white zebra with my colorful kids. There was a lot of animals kind of made. So they loved it. And this is the crocodile. And after a point in time, Aryan and Aradhana, they started counting the teeth of the crocodile. Alligator, is it? I think so. So they started counting it. So it was fun for them. They had a doubt initially as to whether it's a original one or a duplicate one. Will it bite us? All these questions. This one is known as the zebra. There is names written there: zebra, lion, gorilla, kind of tiger. Again, a slide only. And then you have the giraffe and two giraffe kids. Then the hippo, cutie hippos. And then again to the lava. This is the place that Aryan liked the most actually. He wanted to climb up, then come down as a lava. So he did spend a lot of time here. And then we come to the, I think, the right end most place. There you see some rhinos with a horn. We took photos on top of each of these animals. They love animals actually. I should plan to go to some zoo next time. So this one is the map of the whole city, whole mini world that we went to. The lava cave, then the rope course, jungle maze, racing slide, volcano, the pirate ship, the trampolinist, the snake slide, and everything. So it was nice. And then it's bidding adieu to all of you. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more contents. Ta-ra! Bye-bye!